ChatGPT has taken over the world by storm. No one even knows what it's fully capable of, as it's almost capable of doing everything. Artificial intelligence has made tremendous strides in recent years, and ChatGPT is one of the most exciting developments in this space. This AI model even passed law and business exams. Schools are puzzled by this AI, programmers and content creators love it, and everyone can't stop talking about it. But what exactly is ChatGPT, and how does it work? Without further ado, let's get started. ChatGPT is a powerful AI language model that employs deep learning to generate text in response to user input. Because of its extensive training on a large library of human-authored content, it is widely considered among the most advanced chatbots on the market. Users can connect using ChatGPT since it can have conversations in natural language with users, answer questions, provide information, and provide advice. One of the most remarkable skills that ChatGPT possesses is the capacity to understand the complexities of human language. It can understand slang, idioms, and even sarcasm in a sentence. Unbelievable, right? All credits to the powerful algorithm and machine learning models. It can provide responses that are not only accurate but also persuasive because these models have been trained to recognize common linguistic patterns. So, who exactly owns ChatGPT? It's owned by a non-profit research organization called OpenAI that was created in 2015 by a group of prominent figures in the technology industry, including Greg Brockman, Sam Altman, and Elon Musk. The company's mission is to enhance artificial intelligence in a manner that is useful to all people and will help the company achieve its goals. OpenAI is dedicated to advancing artificial intelligence through activities including research, development, and producing other powerful AI tools. However, almost everyone is raising the alarm about ChatGPT in the technical community. Elon Musk is one of the most well-known tech entrepreneurs in the world, and many people have a lot of opinions about what role he should play in artificial intelligence. Some people have speculated that OpenAI could be used for nefarious purposes, while others have questioned whether its research could be used for military purposes. OpenAI, on the other hand, has not been secretive about its goals and has instead taken active steps to ensure that its research will be put to beneficial use. The development of ChatGPT is just one example of how OpenAI is helping to advance artificial intelligence research. This chatbot can be used for more than just coming up with witty responses. It also has other applications. It has the potential to revolutionize how humans communicate with machines and pave the path for the development of more advanced AI technologies. OpenAI is accelerating the study of artificial intelligence and democratizing access to cutting-edge technology by making its technologies available to the public. Undoubtedly, no one can argue that ChatGPT is now the most advanced language model in the world. It can generate responses to a wide variety of human-like questions and has opened up many new doors for businesses, individuals, and academics. Moreover, ChatGPT has a great deal of adaptability. Because of this, it can be an effective tool for business that want to boost their customers' connection with them and for academics who want to research vast amounts of textual data. But how can businesses increase connection using ChatGPT, you may ask? Well, we've all come across chatbots at one point. Companies use chatbots to provide customer service, answer inquiries, and sell various products. With ChatGPT, one can design more sophisticated chatbots capable of comprehending challenging inquiries and giving a natural answer. By incorporating ChatGPT into their websites or messaging apps, companies can provide customers with prompt and personalized responses to any questions or concerns. This can free up personnel to work on other projects in addition to reducing response times and enhancing the level of satisfaction experienced by customers. One of the fascinating aspects of ChatGPT's applications is the exploration of natural language processing. The eventual goal of artificial intelligence research in the natural language processing sector is to make it possible for machines to understand human language. ChatGPT enables it to understand human behavior, sentiments, and various other topics. Moreover, more advanced AI applications have been developed with the help of ChatGPT. For instance, it has been used to produce natural speech, which may significantly impact the development of conversational artificial intelligence systems such as virtual assistants. It can also be used in the production of photographs and motion pictures. This is accomplished by using a method called conditional image synthesis, in which ChatGPT is provided with a text prompt and then generates an image or video based on the information in the prompt. This technology has potential to substantially impact the entertainment industry since it can automate the production of certain types of content or generate more accurate information. ChatGPT is also quite flexible. Because it can be educated using a wide variety of data sets, it is suitable for many applications. It has been educated on medical information, so it may offer medical advice and identify problems. Moreover, it has been trained in legal texts, which enables it to evaluate legal documentation and provide legal guidance to clients. Because of ChatGPT's versatility, it has potential applications of virtually in every industry. Another big step forward for ChatGPT was the release of GPT-3, the most recent iteration of the language model. With an incredible 175 billion parameters, GPT-3 is one of the largest language models ever created and represents a considerable advancement over its predecessors in terms of technological sophistication and scope. Because it was trained on a larger data set than ChatGPT's earlier incarnations, GPT-3 is more powerful than its predecessors and can respond with more complexity. Users of GPT-3 will be able to generate natural language that is almost indistinguishable from the writing of humans, which will extend the options open to businesses, researchers, and people in general. One of the most impressive aspects of this technology is the GPT-3's capability to perform tasks previously thought to be human-exclusive purview. For instance, it can do programming projects, write essays that make sense, and even create artistic artwork. Because of this, GPT-3 could be the starting point for the development of artificial intelligence systems that can perform virtually every work humans are capable of. So why are people worried about ChatGPT? ChatGPT has given rise to several concerns, one of which is the potential impact on the labor market. There is a worry that this AI model continues to develop and becomes better at providing complex answers. It may one day be able to replace humans in a range of jobs, which would result in the loss of many workers and would throw the economy into disarray. For instance, as we have already seen, chatbots that AI language models run could be used in the customer service industry to respond to customer questions and find answers without the intervention of human workers. Also, AI language models might be used to generate content and marketing to generate product descriptions, marketing copy, and other forms of content that human writers traditionally create. While using AI language models in these fields can help businesses improve their efficiency and lower their costs, it also has the potential to impact the labor market significantly. Automating AI processes may result in a significant economic disruption in industries such as manufacturing or transportation. Similarly, implementing AI language models in fields such as finance and accounting may reduce the number of humans needed to execute data processing and reporting tasks. Honestly, there is a great deal of concern regarding the potential impact that AI language models will have on the labor market. Yet there may be also some benefits. For instance, the increased efficiency and cost savings brought about by using AI-powered chatbots may result in decreased costs for customers, increased profits for businesses, and more time for people to concentrate on work that requires creative thinking and critical thinking. Because of this, it is necessary to ensure that AI language model implementation is carried out responsibly and ethically to take advantage of these benefits while minimizing the risk of adverse effects on the labor market. This may involve taking steps such as developing regulations to ensure that AI language models are applied fairly and openly, offering assistance to workers who the shift will impact to a more automated workforce, and funding retaining and skill updating programs for workers whose jobs will be replaced by automation. The potential negative effects of AI language models on the labor market are susceptible to great alleviation at the hands of governments and legislative bodies. They may, for instance, establish guidelines for the responsible use of AI language models, finance research into the potential implications of AI on the workforce, and adopt policies to assure that people are supported and safeguarded as the economy gets more automated. But what do you think? On the other hand, despite ChatGPT's fantastic features, like any technology, it isn't without flaws. Although it may be able to produce responses that are by people and accomplish tasks that were once thought to be exclusively within the purview of humans, there are still some domains in which it still falls short. One of ChatGPT's primary shortcomings is that it does not fully recognize the context and subtlety of human conversation. Although it may be capable of producing responses that appear to have been written by a person, it cannot comprehend the meaning behind the words that it produces. This could lead to misunderstandings, a breakdown in communication, and even impacts that could be harmful. For instance, ChatGPT may be able to answer fundamental questions and solve easy challenging queries in customer service situations. However, it may have difficulty addressing more complex problems that demand a more in-depth grasp of the client's objectives and concerns. ChatGPT may be able to answer simple medical queries, but it may not correctly diagnose more complex medical diseases. Then comes its reliance on the data used for training. Although the model may be able to generate several answers based on the training data it has been given, it may have difficulty responding to questions or circumstances that it has previously not encountered. Because of this, errors, incorrect information, and lack of adaptability will likely occur in the face of fresh and unanticipated events. Questions have also been expressed regarding the possible existence of biases in the data utilized in the training of ChatGPT. Biased responses and potentially unfavorable effects can occur from skewed data used to train the model. For instance, if trained on data biased against certain demographics or groups of people, the model may produce results that support biases. In the end, we can all agree that ChatGPT is a powerful technology that has the potential to revolutionize the way we interact with machines and technology. And as we continue to explore the potentials of ChatGPT, we can expect to see many more exciting developments in the future. So, what do you think about this technology? Is it here to revolutionize our lives in a positive manner? Comment below. See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell.